These parallel power cables are the fast, safe, and easy way to combine the power of two Yamaha EF2000iS inverter generators. Cable features include polarized IP30 banana plugs, quick connection to parallel jacks on both generators, color-coded wire leads, exclusive flexible tip construction that resists breakage, compatibility with a standard 30 ARV cord, rugged over-braided cable design, and a handy hook and loop mounting system. Fits models: EF2000iS, EF2000iS V2, EF2000iS. Lot of 1. Product type: Powersports vehicle part. Package dimensions: 26. 67 cm LX19. 304 cm WX2. 794 cm H. Country of origin: China. Package weight: 2.0 lbs. Top reviews from the United States. Great item for twin generators. These cables are a must if you have two Yamaha 2000iS generators. Instead of a large generator, I use two small generators for easy carrying of the lighter weight and backup ability during cold weather use of the RV. Mainly used to keep the furnace and electronics running 24 hours. I can also alternate for refueling, oil changes, or if one general fails you still have power. This cable combines the two generators and I can run AC when it's hot out. I use the two generators for all weather, amateur radio emergency service communications in the field, even plain old winter camping. We can always make do much better with half the power instead of no power at all. Received this item with no delay from the seller.